Hello, how are you all? I hope all of you have completed your FA3. I might have written the answers very well. I not yet have seen your paper. After seeing that, I can give you the correct picture of it. Now, I am taking up the next poem. The poem goes by the name Justice. So, we open your textbook, page number 102. 102, and here the title is Justice. The poet is Praveen Kumar. Praveen Kumar. See, in the introduction he says, human life is based on certain values. Values still govern our lives. That means they rule. Justice is one of such value that ensures an exceptional exploitation free of life. But unfortunately, in the present days, justice become a commodity of sale for some people, though there are immoral attacks on justice. It has survived the test of time only because of its internal strength. He says that justice has been become a kind of marketing thing, and people sell it, buy it like that. So many things are happening, but in spite of all these, it is inherent strength, inborn strength is ruling the justice. Now we will move on to the first stanza. Justice begotten in exchange is no justice, for exchange is trade. He says, that means justice if you buy, it's not justice, because it becomes a trade. So a distressing gain through loss is a kind of gain, but not very happy gain, that is with some loss you are gaining, because you have to bribe, then you gain something, though, so it is not at all right. So justice is inherent right, that is inborn one. Remember, justice is inherent right. That's what he says. So that is, justice cannot be bought. If you buy, it becomes a trade, and if you gain something, it is distressing one. That means giving, it's a dishonest one. Dishonestly you are gaining it. It is not at all honest one. So he says justice is inherent right. In the second stanza, you see that is wrapped in, it should be pronounced wrapped in black packs, in dark hall of race for survival, like gold stains strung, bound in mud till exploited. It means, see, that you might have seen in a court that a lady will be holding balance and her eyes being covered by black cloth, so she would not see. So it refers to that one. Wrapped in black packs in dark hall of race for survival. People run for their survival, means living in that dark hall. And like gold stains bound in mud till exploited. That means it has been compared now. The way of the race, that is gold stains that have been mixed up in mud, that is in soil, till exploited means till it is used. So children, remember these 2 points. In the first stanza you will see that justice, if you buy, it is a trade, it is inherent trade. And secondly, if you race for your survival, it compares this one to gold stains bound in mud till exploited. You will see in the next class. Till then you learn this, read this again and again to understand the facts. Okay, see you, bye bye.